How to build muscle fast for a beginner. Stop wasting months in the gym with zero results. These 5 mistakes are sabotaging your muscle growth, and you're probably making at least 3 of them right now. Building muscle doesn't have to be complicated. But if you're a beginner stepping into the gym for the first time, the amount of conflicting information out there can be overwhelming. Should you lift heavy or light? How many sets? What about protein? Today, we're cutting through the noise and giving you the exact blueprint to build muscle fast, the right way. Mistake number 1. Not eating enough. Your muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow in the kitchen while you recover. If you're not eating in a caloric surplus, you're fighting an uphill battle. Your body needs extra fuel to build new muscle tissue. Track your calories for 1 week. Then add 300 to 500 calories above your maintenance level. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Mistake number 2. Skipping progressive overload. Progressive overload is the foundation of muscle growth. Simply put, you need to consistently challenge your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. If you're lifting the same weight for the same reps month after month, your muscles have no reason to grow. Keep a workout log. Aim to beat your previous performance every single session, even if it's just one extra representative. Mistake number 3. Ignoring compound movements. Beginners often waste time on isolation exercises when they should be focusing on compound movements. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows, and overhead press work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, triggering maximum muscle growth and strength gains. These should form the core of your workout routine. Mistake number 4. Not getting enough sleep. This is where most beginners fail. Your muscles repair and grow while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Treat your sleep schedule like you treat your workout schedule. Non-negotiable. Mistake number 5. Training too often. More is not always better. Beginners often think they need to train every single day to see results. Wrong. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. For beginners, 3 to 4 full-body workouts per week is optimal. This gives you enough stimulus to grow while allowing proper recovery time between sessions. The simple beginner plan. Here's your action plan. Train 3 to 4 times per week using compound movements. Eat in a slight caloric surplus with at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Track your workouts and progressively increase the weight or reps. Stay consistent for at least 12 weeks before judging your results. Building muscle as a beginner is actually simpler than you think. Avoid these 5 mistakes, follow the basics, and stay patient. Your body will transform. The only thing standing between you and your goals is consistency. Now get out there and put in the work.